pretty good lightning. It's just pretty good lightning out here. 4 HBM.
Yeah, it's got pretty good lightning showing up on here. I wouldn't be surprised to see probably upwards of about 5 strokes.
Yeah, QSL. And it's coming down pretty good. It's nice clear bolts. You can actually see the lightning. It's not obstructed by anything, but it's nice clear bolt. I'm taking some video of it right now, so I'm gonna put it on YouTube later. And the wind is starting to get cooler as it blows out this way.
CL is 100 hertz. I bet it looks pretty neat, so I'll be interested to see that when you get it posted.
Yeah, wish I had live feed up, but I can't do that because Severe Studios is not accepting any more applications for live streaming for until the 27th.
Yeah, they've been kind of overloaded. I mean, you could always go ahead and get yourself a Ustream and use that.
I thought about it, but I've bought a USB card to go on my laptop, so I have some more USB ports. And I'm having some trouble getting it to load on my laptop.
What's that, the card or the streaming app?
The card, it's for some reason the computer's not seeing the card. I've got the drivers installed in it and everything, but it's just not seeing the card.
Huh, that's odd.
As soon as I get that figured out, I will probably be able to have my GPS and live webcam going.
Almost like he doesn't want to talk. Oh, it didn't even say this. This machine, how lovely.
What kind of file are you saving?
No, it's just a text file. It probably has something to do with parallels being stupid right now.
I just had a Jeep drive by me here and it caused my HD here to pick up all its motor noise.
Sensitive antenna much?
Here's Wesley. That's the first time I've heard that happen.
severe thunderstorm warning. What's going on, guys? Yeah, WX4GR. We had a severe thunderstorm warning until 7:30, but was canceled about almost 10 minutes ago. So there's nothing really going on that we need to worry about at this point.
Alright, I'll go back to standing by. Appreciate it, guys.
Size of this cell rebuilt.
I wouldn't either, honestly. I mean, it's, these are pulse type storms, so it's very possible it could. But,
well, they had a severe thunderstorm warning out on the cell earlier for Jackson County, and then they canceled it. Got closer to Madison County, re-intensified, and they reissued the warning for Jackson County, Marshall County, and Southeast Madison County.
well, actually, they had a severe thunderstorm warning on it in Jackson County that lasted until 7:15. That one expired, and they reissued it to include all three of them. So I think it stayed fairly intense. It was just a small lapse between the 7:15 break when it came out in 7:18. My bad.
I think I double with you. I'm going to go ahead and ride south a little bit further, get a little bit closer to it, because it looks like it's not as, that doesn't look as more intense as it did earlier. So I may lose radio contact with you as I get further south.
Yeah, just to let you know, Jordan, keep an eye on it here. The top just dropped way down, and it's starting to fade out on the probably not going to flare back up now, especially considering that we're about to enter our shutdown of the sun conference. If you want something to go after, head back up north, and there's a pretty intense cell coming through that's right on the Jackson Madison County line, far north of Severethunder County. Pretty wild looking. About 1
Thank you, so I might do that. Yeah, 4 HBO, I'll hit 4.
Like I said, you don't.
There's the last part of that cell.